Here's the release. I'm on one. This one's good. This is a good one. Oh, it's a big bass. It's a big bass. It's a big bass. It's a big bass. It's a nice bass. It's a nice bass. It's a nice bass. It's a nice bass. Be careful. It's a nice bass. Oh my God. Huge bass on a tiny, tiny rod. We are catching some nice fish today. The first fish I caught was my PB bluegill, and this was my second fish was about a 2-pound bass. Release. Here's the release. I just caught that on my 2-foot long rod. Got one. Nice bluegill, maybe? Nope. Another sunfish. This one's a little bit bigger. Actually, got another one. I think, yep. It's real little one. Just giving us a dance. Get a bite. Got him. Got him. Bluegill. Oh no. I'm getting a bite. Got him. Got him. Got him. Little guy. Little guy's covered in algae. Caught some fish. I'm gonna call it a day.